Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready to do my design team project for Happiness and Crafting by Gi Kerr, and I am going to use this beautiful collection called An Oceanic Adventure. Yeah, and if I have anything left over, I have a project coming up after this that you're gonna love. So anyway, I'm gonna go through the kit with you, and this will be kind of an introduction of what I'm going to do and what I'm collecting and using. If you want to play along, that would be fabulous. I would love it. Okay, so this one has like I said, the green and the blue, but the blue is on the greenish seafoamy side, teal. This one has some words in the background, some foliage. This one has the mermaid, and I think I'm going to use her for the cover. There's a little pufferfish, love him. Some of the coral and fun stuff. This one has a sailing ship, and yeah, I just think this collection is fun. Now this one's a little on the bluer side, but you can see this right here, if you want to, that's what we would call sky blue. And then we have the shells and the seahorse and an octopus. Very fun. There's another ship with some shells, another mermaid, there's a bell. This one has the mermaid song in the corner, which is fun. This is more of a background page. It's very, it reminds me, I hope this is coming through for you, because it's very paint chippy, with the blues and the greens and the grungy, aged, almost like a sandy color. Here's some more mermaids, shells, another background page. This, for some reason, this page just, these look like, I don't know, like sea dragons or something. I don't know. This one's cool too. It has kind of a damask background, and then it has the coral and shells in the front. Here's some fish. Love that. Oh, and G has managed to throw some roses in there, which I absolutely adore. Here's a little, well, I don't know, is that a lobster? I think he's a lobster. Some more floral. Very fun. I love this guy. He's got a lot of character. I don't know, is that a piranha or something? I notice he's got little teeth. Very sharp. This is a very watery looking with the words on it. I like this background. Very nice. Another puffer fish here and some shells. Just really, really fun papers. So I believe there are 16 backgrounds in the paper collection, so I will leave the links below to that. Now this is the ephemera collection, and there are 12 pages in all in this. This is a very generous collection. I love it. So these are some little just little journal cards. They measure, whoop, that's the wrong ruler. I don't know why that keeps getting put back in there. So they measure about 3 1/8 by 2 1/8. Very nice. And here's your regular journal cards. Very fun. They're miniature of the background pages. I printed these on cardstock. Here's 2 more, and then we have these little, love it, little porthole, not portal. And then even some smaller ones. Those would be cute, kind of for one of those Crazy 8 closure pockets. You could punch those out and use that on there. That'd be cute. A couple of small envelopes, which are nice. There's a sheet of tags. There's some more circle punches and some labels or what have you. Here's a larger envelope with our mermaid on it and our little puffer fish. We have some fussy cut pages that are really neat. So just the colors are really, really cool. They're vibrant but not too much, very retro in feel. And I love these. These are so soothing for journal cards. Perfect. Now we've got some smaller little tags and some teeny tags that could be used for little dangly bits or dingly danglies. And then there's some small pockets here, and those would be great stacked on a page. And then there's some larger journal cards here. There's a map and a globe and a compass and just some fun punches. Well, they're not punches. I wish I had a 2-inch punch. That would be fabulous. I need to invest in one of those. But that's a cool page. I like that. And then we have more tiny journal cards. Or not, excuse me, not tiny, but we have a whole sheet of these journal cards. That's an easy fussy cut page. So that is the 12 ephemera pages from the ephemera pack. So there are two items. There is the page collection, or the papers collection, and then there is the ephemera pack. And I will leave the link to both of those below because you'll want them both. They're both fabulous. Now, for this book, I'm sorry I keep clearing my throat. I don't know what the deal is. It seems like it only happens when I get on video. I ordered something. It might have been the Cragspire, the wax, but something I ordered, I got these envelopes, and there's 5 of them. I must have used, oh, nope, there's 6. There's 6 of these, okay? I want to use these for the pages of my book and leave it open for stuffage because I want more of a journal than an album. So I'd like to tuck some writing paper inside of these. But I also want to decorate these pages, and I think I'll probably do it this direction, maybe do the back one the opposite way so we have it flat on both sides. And then excuse me, I have these are very lightweight craft business envelopes, business size, that I want to use up because they're just sitting here. And some miscellaneous, I have other, maybe some scrap file folder stuff that I have here that I haven't used up from the last file folder journal I made and things like that. But I want to have this measure about 4 by 8, but I want to use this as the base of the journal, and then these will be in between. You know, they'll be used differently. So what I might do is I might fold this one up as a pocket and you know, attach it the opposite direction or whatever. There's an old video. Oh gosh, it's got to be 9-10 years old, that Susie McGuire, I think it's Susie McGuire, did. It's Creative Cafe Girl, and it was a graphics 45 book that she was doing, and she did a Cinch journal, and that's kind of my jumping off point, because I just thought it was gorgeous, and I thought this would be perfect. This kit is grungy, and I wanted to use these envelopes. These are really sturdy cardstock. These are a little on the lightweight side, but anyway, so that's what I want to do with this collection for my design team project. And if you'd like to come along, I'd love to have you. The first thing I think I'm going to do is dig up some cheesecloth. See, I even have this blue lace that will go here. I'm going to dig up some things that I think will match. I can use some of this that I've been trying to use this on everything, and it matches so many things, but it just doesn't fit. So maybe it'll work in here this time. We'll see. And then of course I've got all my seam binding. I need to color some seam binding. I need to color some cheesecloth, and so I think we'll do that in the next video. And yeah, so I hope you'll come back and join me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.